Here I am coming up on the west side of the property, which is also about ankle deep in water. And this drainage swale is not going into the storm drain, or is not working as it's supposed to. You'll see that the developer, something has changed. This wasn't like this the other day. They tore out the culvert, the drainage that was supposed to drain down into the swale, and now the west side of the property is flooding, as well as the east side, and it's rolling over into the yard, coming up against my house.